Hello, this is the Algebra 2 Unit 1 test review, questions 1 through 4. If we look at questions 1 and 2, you will notice we have to evaluate each of these, which means we're doing order of operations. So hopefully you remember your PEMDAS, so please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Remember, there we go. P's for parentheses, we do parentheses from inside to outside. The E in the PEMDAS is for exponents. The MDs for multiplication and division, we do those from left to right. And the A and the S is for addition and subtraction, those we also do from left to right. So if we look at this problem that we're doing, we have a set of parentheses, so we have to do the 2 times 2 first. So we leave the 5 times the 8. Hopefully you realize that was a division sign, not a plus sign. And the 2 times 2 should give us 4. Everything left here is now multiplication and division. So we have to do those going from left to right. So on the left, we got the 5 times 8. So we're going to get 40. And that leaves us the 40 divided by 4, which should give us 10. All right, for the second problem, once again, we have some parentheses in there. They're in the front here. So we're going to do the 4 times 2 first. We'll get 8. Once again, that leaves us with division and multiplication things left over. So we still need to do those going from left to right. So we've got to do the 8 divided by 2 first, which would be 4. And once we got the 4 times 3, we get our 12. For problems 3 and 4, they want us to evaluate by filling in first. So in place of K, we're going to put 5. In place of J, we got the 4. Hopefully you didn't lose that minus K that was afterwards there. All right, so if we follow order of operations, parentheses first, 5 plus 4 should give us 9. Next, we take care of the multiplication, so the 5 times 9 should be 45. And finally, 45 minus 5 should give us 40. For number 4, once again, we're filling in first. Put the 5 in for the x. Put the 4 in for the z. This time we actually have an exponent. So we got to square the 5 first. So 5 squared should give us 25. Take care of the multiplication next. So 2 times 25 should give us 50. Add the 50 and the 4, and we should get 54.